Say hi.
Hi.
See, I'm going to tell you my animals now. All right.
Now.
Ready? What is this one? Good job. Up.
How about this one?
What's this one?
Monkey.
What is it?
Monkey.
Hang on. Hang on. What's this one?
Rabbit.
Good job. What's this one? Turtle. What's this one?
Bear.
What's this one?
Apple.
What's this one?
Chicken.
I don't know where it is. What is it?
Chicken right here.
What's this one?
Panda.
Good job. Whoops. Hold on. What's this one?
Whale.
What is it?
Bear.
A whale?
Yeah.
What's this one?
Cat.
What does a cat do? What's this one?
Lion.
What is it? What is it?
Lion.
Good job.
Yay.
What's this one?
Frog.
What is it?
Frog.
A frog. Good job. What's this one?
Rabbit. Rabbit.
What's this one?
Elephant.
Elephant.
Yeah.
All right, last one. What is this one?
Bird.
A parrot. Good job.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye. See you later.